Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to use referral code on Shein. So first things first, to get a referral link or code from someone already in the program, you can just open your link. It will direct you to download or open the Shein application. If only you have a code, you can enter it during sign up. Or you can go to me, go to rewards, referral, and then section. After registration, you can create your Shein. So once you register through that referral, you will get a new user or bonus. Number two, if you're an existing user, you just have to simply go or log into your Shein. Now below there is this option affiliate. So you have to click that one. And this is what it looks like. You can now start earning. So you can scroll down below and then you have two option here, which is a share and earn. So you have to click the share button right here. Tap this one. And once you tap the share button, then you should see the code. So basically, what you're going to do here is you can just share the code or link with friends through WhatsApp, through Messenger, SMS, or other social media accounts. So you have to agree with your terms and condition first. As you can see, there is this amount right here. So if you want to receive this amount, you have to share this referral code. So you just have to tap on share and then copy the link. Now you can share it through WhatsApp, through WeChat, Instagram, Facebook, copy the link or just save the image, the code, and then share it to someone. So basically, when your friends sign up using your code or link and make a purchase, you will earn cashback or commission or points in your Shein wallet. The person you invite must be a new user and register using your code or link, and you can basically track your earnings under share and earn in your account. And that's it. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.